Is out to the right hand side. A unique formation. Anarchy 1. Yeah, that's the call sign of the Typhoon. Now in formation with the BBMF Spitfire. Outstanding sight that is. Not the easiest maneuver, I can assure you. Just think about the speed ranges and design and agilities of those two aircraft. Yes, the Spitfire, fantastic. Hear the afterburner coming in there as he just needs to put on a little more to gain that speed. Very difficult. The the Typhoon way back on speed. The Spitfire keeping up to the upper end of his speed range. But a magnificent opportunity. Yesterday's and today's fighter boys. Here today in Anarchy 1, this year's Royal Air Force Typhoon display pilot by Lieutenant Adam O'Hare, an A2 QFI from 29 Squadron based at RAF Coningsby. Coming around on this side, this next turn, an opportunity for you photographic enthusiasts out there to get a unique and unusual break in the sky, which will then start the Typhoon display itself. Get your clickers ready.